Welcome back, friends. How are you doing? If you're here for the first time, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Valrine, your practical decorator helping you to make it home. In today's video, we will be making a pair of cushions, and we are making the cushions from placemats. Yeah, vintage placemats. In this video, I will be putting two together to make an envelope pillow. So let's get started. What I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to put right sides together, line them up nicely, and then I'm going to go ahead and stitch across here. I'm making my seam as close to the edge as possible because this edge is already finished. I will have no issues with fraying. And my placemats are pretty square, so that's also a good thing. That's it, my friends. For the 4 of these placemats, I paid $2, only $2. So I got 2 cushion covers for $2. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video as much as I enjoy showing you guys this idea. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Also, give me those thumbs up, share, and if you have not yet subscribed, your subscription is greatly appreciated. And when you subscribe, remember to turn on the bell notification icon so you can be notified of new videos. You take care now. I'll see you in the next video.